7 years old, so pwede ka na mag-boyfriend?
Wala! What's that? Huh? Wow! The full set! 5?
So where's the silver play button?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. To you.
Hi guys, good evening. I know it's been a long time. Eto na naman ako at makikialam na naman ako sa YouTube channel ni Yasmien Kurdi. Ni Yasmin. Although Yasmien Kurdi na rin ako since most of the people, they call her Yasmien Kurdi instead of Yasmin. Today nga pala is birthday ni AYESHA Zara, yung baby namin. Pero we really didn't have anything planned for her for today. Medyo nalulungkot ako for her because this is the actual birthday of AYESHA. Tomorrow is the celebration. I don't know kung she feels the same way. Parang naisip ko, bigyan siya ng little something. Meron kasi kaming gift dyan sa kanya. Medyo matagal na namin tinago. Para pag may special occasion, yun yung ibibigay namin for her. Kunwari, meron kaming surprise for her mom. Wait lang. If you can see, ito. Ito yung silver play button ng YouTube. So parang naisip ko, kunwari, siya magsusurprise sa mom niya para ma-unbox na rin yung silver play button. So, bababa na ako ngayon at sasabihin ko na sa AYESHA na kunwari isusurprise namin yung mom niya sa work niya. So, ayan si AYESHA. Yung baby namin. Yan, baby. Hi, Pangga.
Eh, ikaw yun.
Ay, ako pala yun. Kasi oh, kiss na ako. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you. 7 years old.
7 years old? Tayo mo muna ako magtanong. How old are you?
7 years old?
Oh, di ka na sure bigla?
7 years old.
Sure ka?
Ha!
And, oops, saka, halika. 7 years old, so pwede ka na mag-boyfriend?
Wala!
Yun na. So pwede ka na magka-crush?
No.
No. So anong pwede sa 7 years old?
7 dances, 7 roses, 7 candles.
So here's the we will surprise the mama.
But I thought you heard, I heard you talk together that you were going to her work.
Oh, we're going there, pero we will
just
surprise her with her silver play button. Yun na yun sa YouTube.
Diego said he really want to touch the silver play button.
So we will surprise.
So thank you, YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube. So are you excited to go to Mama?
This is funny. I made this to my classmate.
Hindi ka nabungi. You got your teeth growing na. Yan. So, open that.
Which one?
That one. And that's the silver play button.
This is what Diego was talking about.
Yeah. So, you didn't know that we have that? Huh?
I thought it was for your work, the papers and all.
We're gonna wrap this one, and we'll give it to Mama, okay? So, punta ka muna downstairs. I'll wrap this one, and then I'll give it to your Mama, okay? So, ayan, dito pala tinapon yung mama niya. Ang kanyang gift. Yung mama niya nalang mag-explain later on kung ano yung laman ng gift na to. Pero for now, ang iisipin ni AYESHA is silver play button, yung laman ng gift na to.
You wrapped it.
Yeah.
How?
Okay. Too fast, di ba?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Naka-ready na yung wrapper kanina. So, what can you say?
She'll be shocked, I think. I think she'll be surprised.
Really?
She will know that she's going to her work, but she won't know that we're also going to give her.
Medyo malaki yung package. So hopefully hindi niya napansin na may difference yung nakita niya kanina tsaka yung naka-wrap na. I guess medyo napansin niya na medyo malaki. Pero okay pa naman tayo. Okay, bye-bye! See you! So here we are guys, nandito na kami.
Vlogging!
Sa location ng mama niya dito sa...
And we're too early.
Too early. And yung mama niya is nandun pa sa first location. Kaya, ayan, kausap pa lang namin siya sa phone niya. Nandito pa lang kami sa loob ng car. Diba no? Because we're gonna surprise. We're gonna what? Huh? She will hear. Birthday daw.
Mama! Mama!
Ay! Muli ka na uli sa loob. Tago mo yan. Cover mo ng ano. Ito, this one. Oops. This one. Cover mo with this. Here. Okay. Tago niya daw. Give daw siya sa mama niya. Wow, ang galing magtago ah.
Hi! Kamusta? Hi, Bangka! Happy birthday! Sorry pala. Ang taas. Happy birthday!
AYESHA! Lapitan mo ulit ka, Gabi mo. Oo nga eh.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday na pala si Tita Gabi.
AYESHA, kung napapanood mo, gusto ko lang kita kapatiin ng happy birthday. I wish you all the best and God bless you. Video green.
Ha?
Na?
Later na.
Birthday!
Baon nga nito.
Ngayon na ba? Ngayong araw?
Yeah, the day.
Not tomorrow. Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, bless ka kay dito, Victor mo.
Tomorrow we'll
Kilala
play
niya
games.
Happy birthday! Here.
So, ano yung tinatago mo? What are you hiding?
Ano kayo? May hinahid siya?
Oh, ayun o.
Ano yun? Bakit may tinatago ka?
Ay, no!
Ano? Ano tinatago mo? Ha? Oh,
Para sa'yo.
buksan mo.
Para sa'yo daw.
Para sa'yo.
Buksan mo. I-open it.
Dear Easy, Mama and Papa loves you so much. Thank you for being a good girl. Is this for me or Mama? You said it's for Mama.
Yes. What's that? Huh? What's inside?
Guess.
Guess daw.
Ha?
Si mama mo. Ano? What's that?
What?
Am I allowed to say it now?
Yeah.
The silver play button.
Yay!
Really?
Congratulations, Mama.
Wait
No,
lang.
it's not. It's not.
Ha?
It's not.
Anong it's not?
What's that? Huh?
What?
This.
Anong silver play button nandyan?
I don't know what Papa said. Are you a liar?
Huh?
Are you a liar?
Why?
So they slime. Play button. You said it was for me.
Huh?
You said it
Asan na yung silver play button ni Mama mo?
I don't know.
Ha?
You're the one who wrapped it. Well, as long as it's my birthday.
Happy ka? Ha? Happy ka ba?
Happy birthday, baby!
So that's why it was so heavy.
Happy ka?
Anong oras na ma?
10.
It's
10.
already 11. So, bago.
So, 11:17 pa naman. So, ayan. Mabot pa naman kami sa birthday ni Ayesha.
I want to make the galaxy slime.
Really?
Wow!
Happy
birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Yay! Ano? Na-surprise ka?
Siya na surprise!
Siya na surprise! Wow!
Happy birthday!
Birthday!
Ayan ang favorite mo, macaroons. Di ba yan ang mga favorite?
I like the color purple and
So, ikaw pala yun na surprise, ha?
Happy birthday, baby! I love you!
cute lion!
Akala ko ba si Mama yung isa-surprise natin? Ha? Ha? What can you say?
Thank you.
Are you happy with the gift? Yung sign?
So, where's the silver play button?
I don't know.
Ha?
I don't know. To you.
Ikaw naman, no? I told you to bring it.
Well, you were wrapping this.
Oh! That's not the silver play button?
What do you mean?
Oh, no.
Maybe not in the house.
Ha?
You left it sa house?
No.
Hmm?
Now.
Sana ba yun?
May silver play button? You like...
Can I make the slime already?
Wow! We have a silver play button. Thank you so much.
And one touch.
Thank you, YouTube!
Thank you, YouTube, sa silver play button na hindi pa nabubuksan.
Oo, 3 or 4 months
This
ago pa
cake
yan.
is so
Paano
sweet.
bubuksan? Buksan na natin.
Ito naman ang location mo.
Halika, babe. Punta tayo dun sa yacht.
Ah.
Slowly lang. Waterfront.
So, ayan na guys, si Ayesha pala yung na-surprise. Kasi,
Hello.
Ayan. Actually, pumunta muna kami sa mas tahimik na lugar kasi kanina ang ingay dun sa tent. So, naghanap
Yeah.
kami ng spot nandito sa yacht, katabi. Dahil nag-unbox na rin kami.
Wow! The full set.
Okay, so eto na ang unboxing ng silver button
Yeah.
tsaka ng gift ni Ayesha.
at ng gift ni Ayesha. Wow! Ayan na.
So, dito mo na ito.
Ito na, YouTube. Thank you. So, nakalagay dito, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. You've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this silver creator button, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and
Kaya mo
share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki. Wojcicki. CEO ng YouTube. Ayan, thank you, YouTube. Thank you so much.
Actually, I was wrong. This isn't activator. It's clear slime.
Okay. Talaga may unboxing siya sa sarili
Okay,
niya.
so...
AYESHA, YouTube.
Oh my gosh,
Why
eto
Mama
na.
gets to open this?
This is it.
Wow! Congratulations!
I wish we'll get the gold
Yes,
Ayan,
one.
tingin ka, Papa. Tingin ka, Papa.
Okay.
Ay,
Yay!
Throw picture.
Thank you so much.
Why do you get to unbox it?
you.
Why not
For
me?
the silver play button.
Bakit?
Finally, na-unbox ko na siya. This is it. And happy birthday,
this
baby.
Oh, thank you.
Happy
This
birthday,
is
baby.
slime. This is activator.
Okay.
I get it.
Okay, so
You get it. Okay.
ang saya naman.
Congratulations, Mama.
Thank you,
I want to
congratulations. Alam
unbox
mo,
mine just for one.
alam mo naman, Papa, hindi ko naman makukuha to kung hindi rin dahil sa inyo. Dapat nga YouTube channel na to, ano na eh, Team Soldevilla or parang The Pangas or I don't know, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Anong magandang name ng channel? Kasi parang...
Pwede mong palitan yung channel name?
Hindi ko rin alam eh. So i-comment nyo sa
Pwede
comment
ba?
box below kung ano bang gagawin namin dahil parang it's
And
a
then we'll
family.
pick one of you.
Parang naging family ano na kasi siya, naging
Family relationship.
naging family vlog na siya. So parang yung parang gusto ko rin na i-share na rin to with my family dahil hindi ko makukuha ang aking silver play button kung hindi rin dahil sa kanila at sa inyo na mga manonood. Thank you so much for all the support.
Yeah.
Mga pangga, and we love you so much. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta and natatouch kami sa bawat pagmamahal at care ng comments at lahat-lahat na binibigay niyo sa amin. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Bye!
Bye! Thank you!
Nope. Hindi mo abot.
Hindi mo abot? Abutin mo!
Wow! Kaya mo yan, kaya mo. Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan!
Kaya mo yan.
Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan!
Happy birthday! Uy! Happy birthday!
nakagat
My
kasi
best
ako.
friend!
Ay, nakagat ako kasi saan?
Saan?
Ang dami.